Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at a bayonet from Turkey. This is a Turkish M1935 style model of bayonet for the Mauser platform. And the Turkish Mauser had numerous models through the years, as well as being refurbished, re-arsenaled, and calibered as well for different calibers throughout the years as well. So let's take a quick look here. This one does appear to be missing a tension screw, but it actually doesn't need it as much to hold the blade in, um, luckily. But if we pull it out real quick, you can see here the kind of raised stud area to help with retention within gear, web gear, if you have a frog, or to attach this to belt and other web gear, etc. This is all metal with the ball tip. This is steel. Good magnetic hit right there. Not a lot of visible markings. They may have been worn away right there. And nothing that I can see readily near the top of the sheath. So we'll set this down for a moment. Blade has single edge, pretty thick top side. You can see the blade point there. Fairly large grooved area and a little bit of a solid area here. Solid tang to the pommel area. You can see how this is brazed into this location. This one has wooden grips. You can see the style of bolts that help attach the grips to the tang. This one does have a marking of AS.FA, so Askari Fabrika, I guess, for the factory manufacturer, and a serial number. Button works quite well, as you can see, and there's your groove and release mechanism. This mounts over the muzzle end of the barrel to help secure that in. And if we take a quick look here, we just happen to have an example of a re-arsenaled Turkish Mauser. This one just happens to be a 1941 Ankara manufacturer here, and it does happen to have an A marking on the stock, as well as a little bit of the import markings. I identify it as 8mm Mauser, which is 7.92 by 57 millimeter. If we look at the muzzle end here, you can see that this will then line up with the bayonet lug, and you can then easily align it with the muzzle and attach it at like so. Then releases just as easily like that. So let's take a very quick look at an example of an M1935 pattern of Turkish bayonet for the Mauser platform. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do unboxing videos, as well as a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.